Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the app or website and confirming your identity. If 2FA is active, complete that step. Once signed in, open Settings via the gear icon or your profile menu so you land in Preferences. Make sure you select the Account or Email section. That's where email settings live. Do this now because the next steps require you to be in the correct pane. Otherwise, changes won't apply or you'll get errors about permissions. You click Edit next to the listed email address and type the new address, paying attention to spelling and domain parts like .com or .org. Once entered, use the Save or Update control. Systems often prompt you to confirm with a password for security, so be ready. After saving, check your inbox at the new address for a verification email. This confirms ownership. If you don't see it, check spam and make sure your mailbox isn't full. Waiting a few minutes often helps. You finalize the change by opening the verification message and tapping the confirmation link. This step activates the new email for notifications and login recovery. Once verified, return to Settings to confirm the updated address displays and that notification preferences remain correct. If the link fails or no email arrives, resend verification and check your email filters. As one key troubleshooting tip, if verification repeatedly fails, try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.